Have you ever watched everyone laughing in Igbo while your child just smiles? Because they don't understand. That moment is more significant than it seems. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na language isn't just communication, it's belonging. It gives the child a sense of understanding. If they can't understand what's happening around them, they slowly begin to feel disconnected from their own heritage. And that is why our lessons focus on practical everyday conversations that children actually hear at home or during family gatherings. That is why at Umuoma, our parents have the confidence that their child joining us will always be able to speak. Join us today in Umuoma, ebe anyị na-amụta etu esi asụ Igbo in fun and in a very relatable way. Ka mmụta Igbo jezu mba niile. Ka emesịa.